You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we shall talk about the CPen listing and also the Paws listing. First, we shall take the CPen listing. In their X handle, in one of the last posts that they made, they said that Bitmart will list the CPen on the 10th of this month. So we have just 3 days to go for the listing of the CPen and the Bitmart exchange, and the listing time is exactly 3 o'clock p.m. UTC, that is 4 p.m. Nigeria time. On this day, the CPen will be open for spot trading in the Bitmart exchange, so you get yourself ready. Now, this is the only confirmed centralized exchange that will be listing the CPen. There are other exchanges like the Ascendex and the Wix. Now, the Wix, they have not given us the exact date for the listing of the CPen token, and this is the tweet they made about the airdrop that they are carrying out, which started already from April 3rd and is going to end on April 20. And also the Ascendex, there is a tweet they made here which was retweeted by the CPen core team, okay, trying to this is just like a kind of a vote, asking which token are you most hyped to be listed on Ascendex. And as you can see, CPen has 90% vote, so most likely the Ascendex, they will be telling us the date for their listing very soon, so we shall stay tuned to get the update, and also that of Wix. If your CPen token is a MetaMask or Trust Wallet, I think this is the time you have to send it out to the Bitmart in order to position yourself, so that once the spot listing opens for the CPen or the spot trading, you can swap immediately before the market begins to dump. Now, it does not mean that you cannot leave it in your Trust Wallet or your MetaMask. You can still leave it there, and also you can still swap it to BNB right inside your MetaMask or Trust Wallet. In my subsequent videos, I'm going to show you how you can do that, okay? But if you can send it out, that will be the it will be the best. Once the trading starts, then you can trade immediately. Ladies and gentlemen, the current situation of the market is not funny at all. As you can see today, BTC, as at the time of recording this video, is trading around $78,000. Okay, you can see this is a total bloodbath, and I wonder if Paws or CPen happen to list in this kind of market condition, what their fate will be. But then let's just be optimistic, let's just exercise patience and see how it's going to turn out. Now we shall talk about the Paws listing. The Paws, they do not have any specific date when they are going to launch. Many of the community members, they are fed up already with this project. But then what do we have to do? We just have to be patient, as we do not have any choice at all. Now, about some hours ago, they made this tweet which says Paws week ahead. Okay, Paws week ahead. Well, we do not really know what it means. Okay, if this is Paws week, now does it mean that they are going to list this week? There are speculations that they may possibly, maybe they can list this week. Okay, now there is something that they post here which has kept everybody, you know, on suspense. Okay, because there are lots of things in this image that one can decode. Now, the first thing is that some have said that they may likely list on multi-chain. Multi-chain, I mean, is they can list in BSC, just as you can see it here. This is B, this is S, and this is C. So they may possibly list on the Binance Smart Chain. Now here we have SOL, which stands for Solana. So they may possibly list on Solana blockchain. All right. Now, some persons also said that the listing will not exceed this month, as we have APR, which is April. Okay, now as regards the date, someone said that we have these two figures, which is the only figure that is displayed on this keyboard, 5 and 6, of which the summation of 5 and 6 is 11. Now, some have suggested that 11th of April will be the listing of Paws. Now, on the other hand, one can say, what if we go by the multiplication, which is 5 times 6 to give us 30? Now, does it mean that they may likely list on 30th? Now we have two figures here, on 11th of April and on 30th of April. And as you can see, the spelling of Paws is here, P-A-W and S. So they come in here to tell us Paws week ahead could possibly be that either they are going to list this week on 11th or they are going to list on 30th. Now remember, this is not an official announcement. As the Paws team, they have not given us the exact date when they are going to list their project. Paws has given its community hope in the past about their listing. Unfortunately, they could not list when they wanted to list simply because of, according to what they said, the current market condition. As you can see, this is the tweet which they made on the 1st of April, telling its community the reason why they have not listed yet. If we should go by what we have decoded here, that it could list on 11th or 30th. Now the question is, how sure are the team that on 11th of April that the market will bounce back, or on the 30th of April the market will bounce back? This is another question that we should all ask. Because of the postponement of the Paws listing, most of the community members are already fed up with the project and some persons are giving up already. But then what do? We just have to be patient, as we do not have any other choice. After all, the mining is not currently going on. We are just waiting for the listing so that once they list, we can now begin our trade. Unfortunately, we have connected our various exchanges, and up till now, those tokens, they have not arrived in our wallet, and this also has kept the community members worried. So while we remain optimistic, let's just keep supporting the team until they accomplish what they have for us. Then at the end, we will know whether they have been cheating us or they have been just telling us stories, whether they are serious or not. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I wish to share with you in this video. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel, then turn on the bell icon so that once I drop updates in this channel, you get notified. Thank you. I hope to see you in my next video.